opening the container or the envelope of the stereo glass, hold the edge. Touch only the edges of the container. Okay? So, don't touch the inside of the envelope because it is a stereo part. So, pick up the right glove by holding the edge of the cup. And then insert your right hand. Okay. The next, insert your right hand inside the cup of the left glove and then put it on your left hand. Then, arrange the gloves on your hands by following the principle of stereo to stereo. In removing, remove the half of the right hand glove, half, and then remove the left glove all the way. Then remove the right glove. Dispose on the proper disposal. Dispose it properly and do the hand washing. Okay? So, practice.